How to improve yourself. Practical self-improvement tips. Why do you want to improve yourself? Perhaps you want to learn new things, replace bad habits, become more productive, find emotional balance, or improve your relationships. But remember, developing yourself takes time and dedication, so be kind to yourself. 1. Take an online course. Taking an online course is a great way to learn new skills, expand your mindset, and improve yourself. Whether you want to learn digital marketing, photography, or programming, there are so many amazing free online courses. 2. Learn a language. Learning a new language is a great way to work on yourself, explore a different culture, and change your way of looking at the world. Plus, learning a new language can open up new travel possibilities and introduce you to many new potential friends. If that's not enough, you'll also get the perfect opportunity to practice valuable life skills, such as patience, perseverance, dedication, and hard work. 3. Learn to play a musical instrument. Just like languages, music can open you up to a whole new world. Learning an instrument can be a fantastic way to join a dedicated community, find a healthy method of emotional expression, and develop a lifelong passion. 4. Start a business. Starting a business can provide many of the same benefits of learning a language or instrument. However, there's a bonus benefit: you can also make money. There are many different types of businesses you can start, such as freelancing, consulting, and teaching online. However, if you're new to business, consider drop shipping. This business model allows you to start selling products online without any upfront investment. 5. Read more. Do you wish you spent less time on social media, YouTube, or Netflix? Reading is a great alternative. Many of the most successful people in the world value reading as a way to improve themselves every day. 6. Stick to an exercise routine. There's a reason why successful people exercise regularly. It boosts our immune systems, gives us more energy, and can regulate our hormones and emotions, which helps us stay focused and motivated. 7. Eat healthier. With so many unhealthy options out there, it can be challenging to eat healthily. However, our diets have a massive impact on our happiness, well-being, and success. What we consume can heal us or hurt us. When trying to change a bad habit, start small and focus on consistency. For example, you could start by eating at least 3 types of fresh fruit and vegetables every day. 8. Watch and listen to positive media. The saying, "You are what you eat," also applies to everything we consume, such as the things we listen to and watch. Every podcast, movie, and social media post that we consume impacts our mental and emotional states. In fact, a new study has proven that social media causes negative effects on well-being, and increases feelings of depression and loneliness. 9. Learn to rest deeply these days, there's so much to do. It never stops, right? What's more, it's common to feel like some types of doing are resting and others are work. So, try to sit quietly, watch the sunset, and spend time in nature with your wonderful self. 10. Start meditating. According to some reputable scientific studies, meditation can help to reduce stress and anxiety, promote emotional health, enhance self-awareness, lengthen attention span, reduce age-related memory loss.